Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today I thought we'll continue with a series of our honest beauty product reviews, and today we are going to be talking about and testing out the Honest Beauty Creme Cheek Blush, and I got myself the shade Coral Peach. Now, for people who do not know, Honest Beauty is owned by Jessica Alba. Now, this brand happens to be clean, cruelty-free, and free of any of those unwanted ingredients. Now, it is made without parabens, paraffins, talc, petrolatum, mineral oil, or synthetic fragrances, which so many people are allergic to. These products are simply clear of all those nasty things that you do not want to be putting on your face. It's actually made with clean, good for your skin ingredients. So let's delve deeper into this product and find out what is it about this formula that makes it so very unique, and why is everyone raving about it so much? Coming up. Alright guys, if you like the idea, do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting on the bell notification icon so that you are instantly updated of my future uploads. Alright, so without much ado, let's get started. Now, I'm not a huge fan of cream blushes. Sometimes if the formula is not right, it can either accentuate the texture on your skin, which obviously some powder blushers also do, but then I have my favorites. We'll keep that for another video. But I'm not a huge fan of cream blushes, and I'm not even a huge fan of the NARS Orgasm powder blush, which everybody's crazy about. I somehow do not like that blush. I don't know, somehow I just feel it again accentuates the texture of the skin, and it does not give me that natural look. For people out there who like it, good for you. I did not like that formula. Now, when I tried out the Honest Beauty Creme Blush, it just feels like your own skin but better. It just gives you that lit from within glow, that lit from within natural color. It's a very natural hue, and again, this blush is absolutely buildable. It is customizable. You can even layer it on with different colors of the same brand, and you can customize your own shade. That's how good the formula is. Now, the product comes in a total of 4 shades, and it is infused with 7 botanical ingredients. It is actually infused with 5 fruit extracts. Now, that is what really makes it unique. Now, the first ingredient on their list is castor seed oil. It, however, has beeswax. So for people who are allergic to beeswax, I would recommend this is not the right product for you. But then again, it's free of the other nasty ingredients which you would find in your other makeup product. So in that sense, I think it is a better option, not only because it is super affordable, and for that matter, all Honest Beauty makeup is super affordable. Now, at the price, that the quality that they're offering makes it so very unique. I have not encountered such an affordable, amazing formula. It even beats all your drugstore brands when it comes to the kind of quality and the affordability that this product offers. You cannot see that with these lights, but the formula is very silky. It is not oily or sticky. It will not accentuate the texture on your skin. It'll just give you that natural glow, the natural hue to your skin. And moreover, I usually tend to break out with cream blushes. This one has not broken me out. But then again, each one of us is different. So I have not found this product to cause any allergic reaction or any breakouts. Now, the texture is really creamy, but it is not sticky. It will wear off as the day goes by, so you may need to reapply it. Even then, it leaves behind a very natural sun-kissed hue. I usually will just apply this with my fingers. Now, this will go on top of any of your tinted sunscreen, CC creams, BB creams, or foundation. It will not pill. That is what I really like about this. So the formula is really good. They have a total of 4 shades. I think you will really enjoy using this cream blush. It has some very positive reviews even on Amazon. So you can go take a look and see for yourself if this is a product that you would want to experiment with. I will link the product down below in the description box. I also did a video on the Honest Beauty Tinted Lip Balm. So if you happen to miss that video, I will link it up here so you can go take a look and see for yourself how amazing is that lip balm. You gotta watch that video. Alright guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for dropping by, and I will see you very soon in my new video coming up next week. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye for now.